2017 was a catastrophic hurricane season in the United States and the Caribbean. Its devastation left deep marks on the lives of millions. That's where All Hands and Hearts comes in. We rebuild and restore. With the money raised by TUMI last year, we were able to rebuild 2 schools devastated by hurricanes. With only their hands, but a lot of heart, our volunteers come in from all over the world to help. To see children feel empowered and know many lives are transformed. Each community can overcome anything when we come together.